Now for non-common angles, you can actually use the calculator to approximate the values of the 6 trig functions. The steps to take this on your own calculator vary depending on the calculator type you have. So what I'd recommend doing is, again, pull the PDF video notes up for this and click on any of the links, whichever one you're using. We are going to be able to use Desmos on the exams, so you are more than welcome to use Desmos to do this. If you don't own a graphing calculator, you do not need to buy one whatsoever. So what I'm going to ask you to do is pause the video and then go follow the instructions here for how to do it. The big thing is being careful to make sure your calculator is in the right mode based on the angle measure. So if you're in degrees like this one, you need to make sure that you're in degrees. If you're in radians like this one, you need to make sure the mode on your calculator or on Desmos is radians. Desmos is really easy and quick to go back and forth, so I really recommend using that one. Let's go ahead and pause the video and then come on back. Okay, so at this point, you've hopefully found all these values. When you plug this into your calculator, you got 0.98. The tangent of 70 degrees was 2.75. The cotangent of 70 degrees was 1.36. The cosecant of 5 pi over 13 is 1.07. The sine of 1, so this is where it's important. Remember that when you've got 1, there's no degree symbol there. So this is not in terms of degrees. This is going to be in terms of radians. So we get 0.84. And then again, make sure that when you're putting this in, you recall that that is a, and again, when you're putting this in, remember that that is a radian. So this ends up giving us 1.19. A lot of calculators and even Desmos don't have these reciprocal functions as functions that you can use. So just remember when you're putting this in, this would be like 1 divided by the tangent of 70 degrees. And you'll get that answer. And again, here, this would be 1 divided by the sine of 1, and you'll get that answer.